Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Sketch for beginners. Start by opening Sketch and familiarizing yourself with its clean layout. The large central area is your canvas, where all your design magic happens. To the left, you will find the layers list, organizing every element. On the right, the inspector panel allows precise adjustments to selected objects. Begin by creating a new document and adding your first artboard, perhaps a standard web or mobile size. Now, let us dive into creating. Select the rectangle tool from the toolbar and draw a shape on your artboard. You can easily adjust its size and color using the inspector. Experiment with the oval and line tools too. Adding text is simple. Just click the text tool and type. Remember to group related elements together for a cleaner layers list and easier editing later on. Effective organization is key in Sketch. The Layers panel on the left is your command center. Each object you create appears here as a layer. You can drag and drop layers to reorder them, affecting their stacking order on the canvas. Select multiple layers and press Command-G or Control-G to group them. This keeps your design tidy and makes complex layouts much more manageable. Once your design is complete, it is time to share it. Select an artboard or specific layers you wish to export. In the inspector, locate the Make Exportable section. You can choose from several formats like PNG, JPG, SVG, or PDF. Set your desired scale, for example, 1x or 2x for Retina displays. Sketch makes exporting assets for different platforms, like web or mobile, incredibly straightforward and efficient.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.